Ikaw siguro yung tipo ng tao na laging nandyan pagdating sa iba. Lagi kang nandyan pagdating sa pamilya, lagi kang nandyan pagdating sa mga kaibigan mo, lagi kang nandyan pagdating sa mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo o sa mga taong mahal mo sa buhay. Etong babasahin ko sa inyo para to sa inyo. Ang sabi sa book na to, if you're the person who is always there for others, know that your heart is rare. Know that you give people hope. Know that you make people feel like they have purpose. However, also remind yourself that you are not invincible. Your heart needs rest. You need rest. Remind yourself that you don't need to carry the weight of the world on your shoulders. That you may not be able to save everyone. That you may not be able to heal every hurt. Remind yourself that you don't always have to be strong. O, diba? Napakaganda. So, kung gusto niyo rin basahin to, katulad ko, available to sa aking TikTok shop. Visit niyo na lang sa wall ko, makita